Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the present support and resistance levels. And also let us look at the price action in dollar index. And when we look at the events plan for today is Wednesday, November 16th. At 6 am we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs. 12:30 pm we have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. At 7 pm we have multiple high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs. And also we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs at the same time. And again at 7:45 pm we have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. And at 8:30 pm we have medium impact news planned for Euro related currency pairs. And today also we are having G20 meeting which will have a medium impact. So we have lots of high impact news on major currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these events also while planning for your trades. Let us look at dollar index. I'm in 4 hours time frame of dollar index. Here I have noticed the support line or the trend line. Previously we have noticed the price action to be trading above this support line. And again we have noticed the price action to break this support line with a high trade volume, which means that it is a confirmation that this support has been broken. And again I have drawn a trend line or a support line. You can notice that after breaking the support level of 107, it has taken support on this trend line, again bounced back. Again the bearish trend was very strong, so it has again retraced back and taken support on this previous trend line. And when we look at the present price action, this area between 105 to 104 is acting as a very strong support zone for the current price action. And only when the price action breaks its support zone, we can expect a further continuation of the bearish trend in dollar index. So for now, this trend line or the support line and this support zone is holding the price action from falling further on the bearish trend. And as long as the price action is trading below this resistance level of 107, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in dollar index. Or if you want to get a confirmation, you can draw one more resistance line over here and wait for the price action to break this resistance line in order to get the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal. For now, the current trend of the price action of dollar index in 4 hours time frame is in a bearish trend. Let us look at the price action in gold US dollar. I'm in 4 hours time frame now, and based on the past price action, it is very clear that this area between 1800 to 1785 is currently acting as a very strong resistance zone, because from this level we have noticed the price action to be trending on the bearish side retracement in the past. So now if the price action wants to bounce back and trend on the bullish side retracement, it has to break this resistance zone in order to start its bullish side retracement. And as explained in my yesterday's analysis, the price action had made a triple bottom pattern, and we can notice that it has again completed its triple bottom pattern. So we can expect a little bit of consolidation within this resistance and support line. I am going to draw one more trend line or a resistance line, and based on this resistance line also, it is very clear that the price action is again finding a resistance from the past price action's resistance line. So it has to break this resistance line also in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement. There are more chances that we can expect a bearish side retracement to start in 4 hours time frame. But as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, it is still in a bullish trend for now in 4 hours time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance level. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 4 hours time frame. And currently the price action is finding resistance around the resistance level of 1785, and if the price action breaks this resistance level, next level of resistance is going to be around 1800. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the bullish side retracement to start in 4 hours time frame. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1755, next level of support is going to be around 1724, 1700, 1680 and 1668. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this resistance zone if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side retracement. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame, and in yesterday's analysis also we have drawn a bullish channel pattern, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this resistance line, but it has taken support at the support level of 1755 and it is still continuing in a bullish side retracement. Again, this level of 1784 to 1800 is currently acting as a very strong resistance zone, and also this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame is preventing the price action from trending further on the bullish side retracement. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line from the bullish channel pattern if you want to take trades on the bearish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break this resistance zone between 1800 to 1784 if you want to take trades on the bullish side retracement. For now, we can clearly notice that the price action is under a consolidation, making a sideways momentum. Wait for a directional breakout in order to take a directional trade in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1790 to 1784, and if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1790, next level of resistance is going to be around 1800. And on the bearish side, if the price action breaks the support level of 1769, next level of support is going to be around 1755, 1745, 1734, 1724, 1719 and 1700. And as long as the price action is trading between this bullish channel pattern from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame, and again I'm going to draw a parallel line or a channel pattern in 30 minutes time frame in order to understand the current trend of the price action for 30 minutes time frame. So based on this blue color bullish channel pattern, it is very clear that the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend, trading between a bullish channel pattern. And also we are noticing the price to test this resistance level 2 times, and every time it tried to break this resistance level, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. And now again we are noticing the price to retrace back. Wait for the price action to break this resistance line from the 4 hours time frame in order to get the confirmation on the continuation of the bullish channel pattern in 30 minutes time frame, based on which you can take trades on the bullish side retracement. And if it fails to break this resistance line, wait for the price action to break this hourly time frame bullish channel pattern support line in order to take trades on the bearish side. So at this area we are having several resistance and support level which the price action has to break if it wants to continue on the bullish side or on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1786 and support level of 1777. And if the price action breaks the support level, next level of support is going to be around 1771, 1766, 1762, 1755 and 1746. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1786, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Please refer the higher time frame resistance levels for the bullish side. So the conclusion is currently we are noticing a consolidation in gold, US dollar also, and also in dollar index. So wait for a directional breakout in dollar index and also in gold USD in order to take trades on the direction it gives the breakout. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.